Mr. Arms, I know nothing about math compared to you, and I got a D in remedial math in high school. How do you want me to teach your calculus students?
It's okay, Mr. Legs. I'll come in and check on you and the student, but I think it's more important for me to go to the baseball game right now because baseball is more important, I think. So I'm going to leave you to teaching this child math, and see you around. Bye.
I'm completely unprepared to teach you, general student. This problem, we're going to find the total area between the curves y equals x over 2 and y equals the sine of x. With the bounds, we calculate as negative 1.895 and 1.895. We see that to set up the integral, you would take the quantity of sine of x minus x, the quantity of x over 2, and we would get an answer of 0.
No, Mr. Legs. That is completely incorrect. That is just big red X over there. That's so wrong. I don't know how I let you stay here with this child alone. That's just all wrong right there. You actually have to start with X over, you have to erase all of this too because your math was incorrect, obviously. It's X over 2 minus sine of X plus a second integral, and since your bounds were incorrect too, we have to erase those because you can't do this in one long integral because of incorrect bounds, sorry. And then you have to do from negative 1.895 to 0, and then from 0 to 1.895 because you have to subtract top from bottom. Math. So then it's sine of x minus x over 2, because from this bound to this bound, it's top minus bottom. And then the actual answer would equal 0.8395 or 0.840.
Actually, to prepare for the final exam, I like to practice some average rate of change problems.
Okay, so we're going to find the average rate of change of f of x equals 3x minus 2 from 0 to 5. We would set up the integral as 1 over b minus a of the integral from 0 to 5 of f of x dx. And our answer would be 27.5.
Again, you are completely wrong. Thank gosh I came back again. I forgot my baseball cap. But you did the average value of the function, while we were supposed to be finding the average rate of change.
Thank God you stopped him.
So with better handwriting, I'm going to erase all of this and find that it should be for the average rate of change. It's f of 5 minus f of 0 over 5 minus 0, which would equal 15 over 5, I'm sorry, or... Does that make sense, student average?
Why, of course. I'm a good student.
Okay, now we are going to find the area of f of x on the interval 1 to 3, where f of x is equal to 1 over x. Alright, so we are going to start by setting up an integral from 1 to 3 of 1 over x dx. And then this will come out to be the natural log of x, 1 to 3, which is 1.099 minus 1, which is equal to 0.099.
Mr. Legs, again, this is wrong. You completely did this wrong. Come on. You have to remember that the natural log, when you take an integral of the natural log of x, or 1 over x, it'll be the natural log of the absolute value of x, also from 1 to 3. And that would be 1.099 minus 0, because the natural log of x equals 0, not 1. So that would actually be just 1.099 as the answer.
Next, we're going to find the integral of 1 over x squared. And this is simple. This is equal to the natural log of x squared.
So for the actual equation, you'd have to do the integral of x to the negative second you'd have to think of. And since it's an indefinite integral, you have to have the plus c at the end when you integrate. So the integral of this is negative x to the negative first plus c, because it's an indefinite.
You will have 40 minutes to complete this section of the exam. Cell phones, any electronics of any kind, but not limited to watches, dictionaries, or other stuff. You may only use a number 2 pencil. Open to the first page and begin your test.
What did I get, Dad?
Oh, here's your score. I haven't looked at it yet.
Well, I'm glad Mr. Arms taught me well, because I got a 5. That's me. No. Do not stop.
Do not pause
We've
it.
been over this 4 times. Do not touch it. I hate myself. I hate myself.